Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I am Valitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, looking back through my footage from Valentine's, I realized that I did not upload all of the videos that I had for you guys. And I have plenty of things that I filmed that I still have not uploaded. So here's one of them, the candy bouquets. I don't know if you guys remember me doing these or selling these for Valentine's Day, but here is the video from Valentine's of the candy bouquet. So this is something that you can use and that you can sell throughout the whole year. This does not have to be Valentine's. This can be a birthday gift. This can be, you can sell these online. You can literally switch these up and sell them for anything. So those boxes of candy that you see at the bottom that I'm building the base with, those actually came from Dollar General and they were of course $1. So I went ahead and made a box with those, and the floral foam that is in between there, that actually came from Dollar Tree. So I actually let the floral foam basically decide the shape as well as the size of my base. I use cardstock to cover up the bottom so that we have a base and you cannot see through it. And of course I got this idea from Tanisha Yummy Tea. I don't know if you guys are subscribed to her channel or not, but I will link her channel down below. But she did these for Valentine's Day and I told her I was going to make them. So this is finally the video. If you guys saw in my shorts, I think I did add this. But all the candy that you see I purchased from Dollar General as well. Some of the candy that you see came from Sam's Club. And then of course I'm going to use the bamboo skewers, and what I basically did is divided all the candy up to see how many of what I was going to put where, so that I had an even amount. It really doesn't matter how many you choose to use. I don't remember the number of candies that I put in each, but I went back and counted everything because I wanted them to be even, and I was making 2 at a time, so I wanted to just be basically copy and paste the same arrangement. So I hot glued the back of everything. I did not use tape for these, and yeah, that is pretty time consuming, but I mean it's rewarding in the end. Everything is pretty sturdy. Kind of too sturdy, because I made one of these for my husband and he was asking me not to make it so sturdy. So everything stayed in place really well, but this is what you see me doing, just opening the flaps and just attaching them. So I decided to add these type of little curling ribbon, the thick one, the pink ones, and they came out really cute. So this is what the front looks like. I'm sorry you guys, I did not record the footage for the front of this arrangement, but you will see me do the same thing in the back. So I basically added that balloon that came from Family Dollar or either Dollar General, and I just literally pushed it in there because the floral foam will hold everything. Now, I also found these heart picks and added them in. So this is the back side, but I'm literally doing the back side just the same as I did the front side. So some of them I cut short, some of the skewers I left long, depending on where I wanted them to go, but I literally mirrored the front and the back, and you just keep adding and keep building. That's all. So this is what the candy bouquet looks like. I super love that I wrapped it up. I used the same shrink wrap that I normally use, I just didn't shrink wrap it. So that's all for this video, you guys. If you like to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. Till next time, stay crafty. Bye.